Yeah, might quit True Blue for like 2 hours. That being said, do I quit Power Riders because there's no money coming in from that?
Exactly.
2 hours? Hmm. What's a really nasty fart?
Oh no.
Didn't even
Hey,
have any
buddy.
sound. It's
Hey,
just
what's going on,
stench.
man?
Just need a repair.
No,
So
no
thick you
worries. I'll
cut
just
with a
send you the
knife.
bill and then we'll get started.
Sweet ass man, go for it.
I
Just sent it to you.
love them.
Just leaks up straight to your
Alright, I'll
nose.
get it
Fuck,
started.
especially in the morning with the windows up in the car.
Oh, yeah.
Gets you warm. Comes out.
Just there.
You got someone sitting next to you and you just sit there with a stupid grin on your face just waiting.
Shit.
What are you fucking? Oh my god!
And I've got the power to lock the windows as well, so they can't open the windows once they get it.
Oh, that'd be torture.
Oh, that's great.
Here, let me turn on the heat.
Brew it up a little bit, get it through the system.
I'm just gonna have to push it a little bit with the car,
guys
then
are
I'll
gross.
repair it.
And evil.
No worries.
Wonder how long it's gonna take. Rose.
I should come do some garbos, man.
Can't. I'm locked into a job, bro.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Amber just flew it straight past me.
Oh,
I don't
fuck
see
you.
it. yet.
Fuck you, fire truck. I think you're all poison.
Is that the only Amber that's on?
Yep.
Apparently, whatever. Fuck.
Well, I pulled off to the side of the road. He still came up behind me and honked at him, so I said, fuck it, cut him off. I was pulled over. Wait, is anyone else doing Garbo?
Yeah, there was another guy I saw.
I'm about to process 500 meth.
Oh, I was thinking about playing chicken with people in Garbo truck. Trap knows how that one goes.
Oh yeah.
Playing chicken?
Yep, done that a few times.
Oh, it's always fun.
Hey, you reckon you could give it a clean?
Especially when they're trying to make money.
Unfortunately, I can't do it myself because my cleaning button doesn't work.
Oh, okay, yeah, man, no worries.
Thanks. I'm trying to get some higher ups to sort it out for me.
Yeah, no worries, man. Oh, sorry. No worries, man.
What?
Don't worry, I was talking to the guy. I clicked the wrong button. There you go, my friend.
Thanks,
Have a good one.
Sounded so enthusiastic.
man. You too, mate.
I know, right? You can tell I really love my job. Sorry, hon, what? So yet, he just starts doing burnouts in the dirt. Really, dude? I just washed your car.
It's like watching a dog and they just run out straight to the dirt.
Exactly.
Oh, I'm clean now. I'm gonna dirty myself.
Nearly 80 grand. How you going, man? What happened to these guys?
So this one was malfunction off. This one was being a show off and stacked.
Fair
Which is
enough.
a bit shit. I'm not gonna lie.
Has the ambulance been called or anything, or?
I don't know. Maybe, probably. I think he called them.
Oh, okay then. No worries, man. So just to fix your car today, it's just going to be $600.
Oh, that's all good.
There you go. You should see the invoice for it, and then I can get started. All right. Thank you very much. Well, let's get started.
You should have seen the traffic just before. It was backed up all the way over there. Couldn't even see it.
Is your car unlocked or?
Should be. Definitely is now.
Ah, fuck.
What's wrong?
I think I'm about to get pulled over.
All right, there you go, my friend.
No,
Oh,
yeah,
I
Jack,
think you got
you wanna
a,
head down?
think you got a spider on your
That's that
shoe. Yeah, mate. It's all done for you, mate. Have a good one.
Cheers. Have a good day.
Thanks for using True Blue.
Always do.
What's up?
We're at Yellow Jack. If you want to come down?
Yeah, I'll probably drive past.
No.
Salem West. Oh my god. I don't know.
Emergency, police, fire or ambulance. Emergency, police, fire or ambulance.
Oh, huh?
Huh?
They've changed the...
How
Oh.
cool is it?
What the Oh my god, that is so cool! I was like, what the hell happened? That is sick!
Lol.
My god, oh, the two guys that were... the. going on, boys?
Hey man. Oh, you know. Just
Oh,
another day, another
Breaking into
dollar.
his car.
There we go. All done.
My eyes are deceiving me, mate.
Hey man. Hop in, please.
No. Oh yeah.
Did you
Oh
book him
yeah,
first?
sweet man.
No, I didn't
No,
get
he's
anything.
doing 25 cash in hand.
Okay.
Cash in hand, back.
Doing cash in hand or what?
Yeah, you want to do cash in hand?
You can give it to Salty if you want.
Yeah.
The actual-
Just over here, mate. Yeah.
Oh yeah, just invoice us.
Invoice is sure.
25 grand Salty.
25
Yeah.
grand. Okay.
25 grand, mate.
There you go. I think, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, man. You know, money talks and it stops people talking.
All right, mate. Have a good one.
You too, man. You take it easy, mate. But catch you around.
See you, man.
That's the most amount of money we've ever made.
It's the second most money we've ever made doing this. Sorry, what?
Oh, I'm glad it's Cave Johnson.